How's it going, guys? So I just started this shift. I know I said I was gonna start early, but had to take care of some errands in the morning, and so I'm starting around the time that I started the first day. It's around 1:50 to 2 p.m. Yeah. So what's good about today is that there's bonuses today. So once I finish 3 orders, I get $75. And if I manage to do 7 orders extra, I get like $30 more. I don't know if I'll be able to do 7, that would be like 10 orders, 9 orders, but I can for sure get the $75. I just got this order. It's I'm gonna put it right here. It's a $33 order in Crystal Lake. That's where I live. It's a 5-minute drive to the pickup location. So I'm just waiting for them to give it to me, and I'll drop it off. Okay, so I just dropped off those 2 orders, and as soon as I dropped them off, I got another $33 order, and so I'm literally about to go pick it up right now. I'm like 2 minutes away from the pickup location, and yeah, so it's a pretty good day. I finished the first order within like 28 minutes, so I'm still within the hour mark. I'm gonna go pick up this order. Hopefully I can finish it within the hour mark, but even if I don't, like $33 hour, it's amazing. Another 33 hour is amazing. So that order was like the 13th order of the weekend. This should be the 14th, and after this one you want more to get the $75 bonus, and then after that I will need to complete 6 more to get the other bonus. So we'll see. I'm gonna grind it out, so hopefully I can get those 6 orders done. And yeah, so I got the $33 order. If I will put it right there, and it's not too big. It'll be quick. It is a couple miles, but it's not too bad. And yeah, keep you guys updated. I'm going to go pick it up, and I'll get back. So I just dropped off that 24. Not that 24. I just dropped off that order. The 2 orders, and I got another order like just literally as soon as I dropped it off, which is $24. I put it right there, and this order is technically $24, but it will get me the bonus, so it's $24 plus the $75. So essentially, it's almost like on a $100 order. It's gonna bump me up to 166 today. Yeah, that's gonna make me touch rate. This order is gonna make me touch rate for the day. So if I want to stop and not work and just like chill, I'll probably do that. But let's not do that. I'm gonna keep grinding, make more money, give myself a head start just in case. You never know what could happen throughout the days. I will probably have a really bad day and I don't make that much money. This will make up for it. So let's keep going. So I just dropped off those 2 orders, and so I got finished the 15 orders in the past 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So that gets me the $75 bonus, which is great. Now I need to do 6 more orders. It's currently 4:18. We stopped receiving orders from Walmart at 10 p.m. So I got 6 hours to do 6 orders. I think it's manageable, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'll be getting $30 extra if I do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I just got another order. I got a $24 order, $24.72. Yeah, $24.72 right there. So that should be my 16th order of the weekend of this incentive bonus program. So yeah, so it's gonna be my 4th order today. So far so good. Yeah, I think I've been doing the orders way faster today. They've been really quick, efficient, like no worries. So I think I should be able to touch the $105. Like get the whole bonus thing. So I only have $30 left to make as a bonus, but the everything's gonna add up. I think it's gonna be a really good day. It might be a $300 day. We'll see. So yeah, I ended up dropping off that order, and I got another order, $24 order, I think. I'm gonna put it there. Yeah, I got it real quick, so I'm gonna go deliver this order too, and I'll keep you guys updated. So yeah, I got that wrong. It was like $28 order. $28 order. They're pretty small. Even though the app said it was gonna be a large order, they're a pretty small order. So I'm gonna go drop it off right now. It's not too far. And yeah, I think we're doing pretty good. I think it's gonna be able to. I'll be able to get the other $30 bonus, and it's gonna be an amazing day today. So yeah, I'll go ahead, deliver it, take a picture, and I'll add it here. So yeah, I just drop off those 2 orders, and I got another order. I got I believe it was a $23 order. Yeah, $23 order, I believe. So I'm gonna go pick it up. Should be quick. It's only like 3 miles from the location, so I should be in and out. And then I saw like you get multiple orders. Maybe I'll show in the next slide. I'll screen record it once I get another order. So you get multiple orders and you get to choose. I chose this one, and I saw there's like 3 or 4 more waiting in that store, and I don't think anyone else is working but me. So they're gonna be my orders, and they're small miles, and like I can probably do them like maybe doing like 2 an hour, and they're like all like $23-24 an order. So maybe I could be averaging 50 an hour if everything goes well, if nobody else is driving. But if not, I got this $23 order, and see what more orders I can take. Okay, so I picked up I got a $16 order, and I screen recorded everything like I said. It's got a $16 order. I'll tell you guys my thinking why I chose that one. There's multiple ones. There was a $42 one by the Walmart that I was at for 25 miles, but it was gonna be 8 drop-offs to different homes. It was the $16 for 5 miles. So my thinking was I take the $16 order first, 5 miles, and come back and take that $42. And because that $42 is gonna take maybe like an hour-ish, hour and 20, it depends. So just get one right out. Like I was in and out. I'm going to go drop this order off. So I'll come back. Hopefully that $42 order is still there. And it's already looking to be a good day. I'll drop that one off, and I believe after that we need 1 more order, and that's gonna get me the final bonus, and it's gonna be a great day. It's only 7:13, so we haven't really worked that much, like hourly. We haven't worked that many hours, but we're hourly. We're making a lot of money. I'll calculate that all at night, at the end. I haven't really been doing that too well, but I'll break down my earnings, how much miles I drove, and everything for today. Okay, I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I dropped off that order, and as soon as I dropped it off, I got a $29 order for like a couple miles, and so I took it. So I'm gonna go pick it up right now, and I'm gonna need 1 more order after this. Call that a day. All right, I ended up dropping off that order, and I wasn't getting really anything. I was waiting to get that one last order to finish the day. So I was driving. I was already heading towards home. I was like 5 minutes away from home, and I get this $18 order, $18.46 from the Walmart that it's really close to my house. Like I said, it's 5 minutes away. So I took it because it wasn't just $18. I know I drove like 22 minutes towards there, so technically 22 plus 6, 26 minutes. But it was $18, and then I get the $30 incentive bonus that I was talking about. This is my 21 order, so it ended up being $48. They're coming right now to give it to me. See if I can show you guys real quick. There he is. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, so that was a same thing that happened I think yesterday, the first order. It was a 2 order. They ordered separate, but it was to the same house or apartment. I dropped off to an apartment. I dropped off to these people before. They used to like, bro, the orders for this house is like maybe like, it's usually around, it starts off at $12, but then you wait for it to keep going up. That's what I was doing. I took it at 18. Last time when I did this person, I took it at 19. Last time she tipped me $3, which is like, at least it's something. They live in the 3rd floor on the very last like house, and they order the heaviest things imaginable. Like they order like groceries for like maybe a month or 2. They order a lot of food. So they go, I took it. The only reason I took it is because of the $30 bonus that I was gonna hit. But usually I don't really want to take this person's order. But I was expecting like, hey, she might tip me maybe $3. Hell, even $1. Like tip your driver, especially if you live in the apartment, 2nd floor, 3rd floor, 4th floor. You know, like, come on. I just think that's common sense. I feel like everybody should tip, but if you don't have to. But if you live in an apartment, you should probably tip. You know, like, especially if you order that much stuff. Like, I broke a sweat. Like, I'm back to just wearing my shirt. But yeah, we're gonna break down the earnings. I'm gonna be putting it right here, and I'll be talking about it in just a little bit. All right, so we're gonna break the earnings. So I made today $336 with 75 cents. I did 9 total trips. I drove 128.6 miles. I worked 7.9 hours. So my hourly rate for today was 42.60. So it's, told you guys, it was a pretty good day compared to the last 2 days. It's an amazing day. So the mileage, I was making $2.62 per mile I drove, and I was averaging 1.1 trips an hour. So overall, it was an amazing Monday. The bonus definitely helped a lot. Even without the bonus, which was a total of $105, I would have made, so 336 minus 105, that'd be $231 with 75 cents. My baby girl's over there waiting for me. So yeah, man, it was an amazing day. I almost doubled what I expect to make. Did I? So that'd be 166 times 2, that'd be 200, 320, 330. Yeah, I doubled actually. I did what I was expecting to make each day, which is 166. I doubled it and I got a little bit more than that. So it was an amazing day. And yep, I'm gonna try to break all the expenses, all the earnings. Well, and also I pumped gas on Saturday, which I'll put it here. I used the app Gas Buddy because it saves me gas. Saves me like 50 cents a gallon, which is amazing. So I pumped gas Saturday. Right now I have 90 miles left. So I work Saturday, Sunday, and today Monday. So, and I'm gonna show you guys how much gas I pumped here. I remember it's like around the 40s, 45-ish dollars. But yeah, that made me the $336.75 today, and the last couple earnings. I think it was 200 and something, 205, 206-ish, and the 168. So it'd be 300, 375 plus today. That's 600. 700, around 710-ish dollars that one gas tank made me. And I still have 90 miles to work for tomorrow, and I won't pump until I hit the 50 miles, and I'll pump. There's gas stations in Walmart, so I'll pump there and I'll refill it up, and I'll show the expenses again and everything. But overall, an amazing day. We made good money. Now it's time to go put my baby daughter to sleep. And you already know, we're gonna hit the gym. Today's back and biceps day, so it's amazing. And don't forget to subscribe if you like the videos, if you like the knowledge. I would try to give tips of how to make this type of money. Usually my days are not this good, but they're not that bad. Like the last couple of days, it averages around 33 an hour I usually make. Sometimes we get good days, sometimes we have bad days. So just always gotta keep a positive mindset. Like yesterday, I kept a positive mindset. Everything went a little bit bad, but hey, we got it together. Today, everything went perfect. But just know that not every day is perfect, and not every day is a horrible day. You're gonna have good days, you're gonna have bad days, you're gonna have okay days. So just always keep grinding, keep hustling, and make some money. Let's go.